On today's adventure, we're taking a ride on the FireChaser Express roller coaster at Dollywood Theme Park that opened in 2014 and has a minimum height requirement of only 39 inches to ride this roller coaster. It goes a top speed of 35 miles per hour, and the ride itself is about 2 minutes long. You can see the first of two launches out of the fire station here. You'll be getting a second backwards launch, which we'll show you here in just a moment, but this is a very smooth roller coaster. But before we get on the ride, I also wanted to show you what the seats are like for FireChaser Express. You've got the lap bar that comes down here, and just wanted to, again, give you a good look at this tester seat. Very similar style to Big Bear Mountain. So let's hop into the fire station and go for a ride.
It's go time, recruits. There's a of applause and a big pat on the back for a job well done.
That wraps up our look at the FireChaser Express at Dollywood Theme Park. If you've enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button down below and let us know if you have been on this ride. What do you think of it? Or if you're coming to Dollywood, let us know if you would like to ride it. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next adventure.